Hi y'all, and welcome to Yaya's Time Capsule. I'm Tara, aka Yaya. Today, I'll be going back to the bare bone basics to help all of my friends that have not yet learned how to crochet, or you're just beginning, learn beginning stitches that you need. So today in my tutorial, I work on learning how to make a slip knot, learning how to make a chain, a single crochet stitch, and a double crochet stitch. You'll need those basics as building blocks to projects like the one I'm working on now. This cute hat that I'm making is done all in double crochet stitches, so you must learn the double crochet stitch before you can make the hat. So grab your coffee, grab your crochet needle, and let's start crocheting. Okay, so now we're going to start with a slip knot. You fold this part over. You take the long end of the yarn and you pull it through the loop. And you pull it. And you have a slip knot. Let me show you that again. Make a loop over. You twist it over. And then you pull from under. And you pull the loop. And there's your slip knot. I make a slip knot a little differently, and I'm going to show it to you now. Take your yarn, you go around your fingers, you make an X, and you go around, and then in the back you push the yarn through the loop, and you have a slip knot. Let me show you one more time. Take the yarn, you hold it down at the bottom, go around your two fingers, make an X to the back of your fingers and pull it through, and you have a slip knot. So this is how we make a basic slip knot to start our crocheting. Now let's move on to making a chain. So let's make a chain. This is my 5mm crochet hook that I use for most of my projects. I have the yarn on the hook, and I'm going to make a chain. First, you have to figure out what is comfortable and how you would like to hold your yarn in your hands. And how you hold your crochet hook is a little different for everybody. So I'm going to put the yarn over the hook, pull through the loop. That's one chain. Do it again. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. Now I'm going to count my stitches. The loop on your hook is not considered a chain. The first chain starts underneath the hook at the first V. That's how you count your stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 chains. The little V's determines how many chains you have on your hook. Right now I have 7 chains on my hook. I'm going to go ahead and make some more. 8. Yarn over, pull through is 9. Yarn over, pull through is 10. Now I have 10 chains on my hook. In most projects, somebody will say, chain how many everything you're going to need. And you'll just continue on until you get the number of chains that is going to be the length of your project. For this demonstration of single crochet, I'm starting with a chain of 20. So feel free to make a chain of 20 and meet me back here for the rest of the demonstration. I'll now be showing you how to make a single crochet stitch. I'm starting with my chain of 20. You're going to first insert your hook into the first chain in the row. You're going to yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on your hook. You're then going to yarn over and pull the crochet hook through both loops on the hook. That's your first single crochet. We're going to insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the loop. You're going to have 2 loops on your hook. You will yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. You will then insert to the next chain, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. You're going to go to the next chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. Insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops. You're going to yarn over, pull through both loops. To finish the row, keep doing your single crochet stitch until you've all the way finished with your chain to the end. Now that I'm at the end, this is what your single crochet stitch will look like. Just as with the single crochet, I started our double crochet tutorial with a chain of 20. Now I'm going to start with our double crochet. I already crocheted 20 chains, so if I would want to have 20 chains in my project, I will have to make 2 more chains to make the double crochet, because the first 2 chains count as your first double crochet in most projects. One, 2. So now I'm going to start the double crochet. I'm going to start in the second loop from the hook. So that's 1, 2. I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook into the second chain. I'm going to yarn over again, pull through the loop. I'm going to have 3 loops on my hook. So then I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops only. I'm going to yarn over again and pull through both loops. That's your first double crochet, or your second, because your first 2 count as the first one. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain. I'm going to yarn over, pull through. You're going to have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. And that is your third double crochet. We're going to go to the next available chain, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. I'm going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do a few more. We're going to yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do one more. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Keep going until you do all of the chains in your project with the yarn over, pull through 2, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. When you come to the end of your chain, this is what your double crochet will look like. Today, we learned how to make 2 stitches, a single crochet and a double crochet. This is our single crochet, and this is our double crochet. So, if your 2 chains look anything like these 2 chains, you did a great job. And if they don't, you can rewind the video and try again. And you know what? Practice makes perfect. Well, that's all I have for y'all today. Thank you for joining me here at Yaya's Time Capsule. If there's anything else that y'all would like to see me do in a tutorial, feel free to leave that in the comments. I wanted to show y'all my project, my little hat that I finished. It's all done in double crochet. So this is one project you'll be able to do. There's only one thing else you need to learn for this, and I will do it in another tutorial, is a magic ring. So if you like this tutorial today, please feel free to like and subscribe to my video so that you can see all the tutorials that I will be doing in the future and any of my other videos that you may like. So go on down to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all the next time we pull something out of the time capsule.